welcome back to my channel. For this video is we're gonna make an unboxing. So we got a new tech for today. So we got a modern tech for today. So this is some Amazon, right? So we got some new Amazon, right? Amazon A right here. So we got the Echo Pop. So I already have an Echo Flex and an Echo Dot. So okay, let's go. Gonna have to check this out. Echo Pop. So what is the difference between the old one? So the old one, I have two old ones. Okay, I've got the Echo Flex and the Echo Dot. So this is an Echo Pop, which is only just affordable, right? So very cheap, and let's go. Gonna have to check it out. So just bought this on the Home Depot, right? So and it's also, yeah, we're gonna have to check this out. So I'm gonna have to use this one also right over here, right? So I'm gonna have to use this one. All right, so gonna have to check this out. All right, I'm gonna have gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you will see the items, right? So okay, so that you will see the items. Okay, so all right, here we go. So gonna have to open this up. Okay, let's go. Gonna check it out. So we got right here is some, right over here is the A. So I don't want to mention it. Okay, so since gonna be my, my other device will be, like that one's. Oh, okay, there you go. There you have it. They got some nice, like that one. So let's go check some accessories. Okay, let's go check what. Okay, they got some right over here. Big 15.0 watts adapter. Okay, what is this one over here? So, and something's right over here. Okay. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this back on. Okay, then I'm gonna have to put this on right over here. So A is happy to help. Okay, A, play chill music. Okay, so since I am not you, okay, we got some, yeah. Okay, your smart speaker with, okay, and then the other one, look at that. So hands-free, okay, microphone and privacy controls, and we got the Bluetooth also, right? All right, so let's go. Gonna have to put this on right over here. Hello, hola, bonjour, Echo Pop. Okay, so gonna have to set up this one also. If you're gonna have the phone, where's my phone? Okay, here's my phone right over here. Since I already have an Amazon app, right? So let's go. I'm gonna have to set it up this one. Okay, I'm gonna have to set it up. Okay, okay, I'm gonna have to set it up. Okay, there you go. And then this lampshade is, I have a outlet right here in which I can, just, all right, there you go. And then let's go. Gonna have to, so it says right there, set up your Echo Pop, plug in your Echo, follow setup in the app. Okay, I'm gonna have to open my Amazon. So follow setup in the app. If you're promoted to set up your device after opening the app, tap more. Okay, and then I think settings, right? Oh, Echo Pop is ready for setup. Okay, agree and continue.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola. Vamos a empezar. Installa la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour.
All right.
Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions. Updating your device. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Alright, so here you go.
Your Echo is ready.
Oh, okay, there it goes. Alright, so almost done. I think that's done. Okay, ready. It's already said. Learn about the light bar. So blue is now listening. Red, microphone is off. Can't hear you. Okay, and orange, your device is in setup. Yeah, and then also mode or trying to connect to the internet. Purple, your device is in do not disturb mode or unable to connect to Wi-Fi during initial setup, right? Yellow, you have a new notification. Say, read my notification. So you have an incoming call. You have incoming call. Okay, call. Say, oh, okay, nice one. Okay, I like that one. Okay, okay. Things to try with a like. Alright, okay. So things to try with A. Enjoy your favorite hits. Okay, gonna have to try this one. Okay, so I don't want to disturb your devices into your houses, right? So we're gonna have to for my own. So I'm gonna have to mute this one right over here. Okay, what is the weather today?
The current weather is 57 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has snowy weather, with a low of 14 degrees. 4606 North College
Right,
Drive
okay,
looks pretty
nice.
clear. The
I love that
fastest
one.
route
Okay,
takes
so
about 8 minutes
I'm
via
gonna have
East
to
Pershing Boulevard
you know, the
and
volume.
WY 212.
So iHeartRadio.
iHeart Country from iHeartRadio.
Well, okay, nice. Okay, I like this one. This one, right? I like this one. So, far better than the last than my Echo Dot and also in my Echo Flex, right? So, this one RT is good. So, right, we've got some is like that one. All right. So, okay, it's already been set up, and yeah. That's so easy, right? That's so easy. You're gonna have to use this one over here. So, alright, okay. So, okay, gonna have to over to the last part for the outro. Alright. So, alright, I think that's it for today's video, right? So, and I hope you like it. So, we got right here is my new Amazon device. This is the Amazon Echo Pop, and also connected into my Amazon also devices, just like the A. Okay, so I'm gonna not like that one, so I'm gonna have to disturb the Amazon devices into your home. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you won't notify all my upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and see you again on the next one.